Congratulations, round 2 results. The winner by major decision from Wheeling Central, Zach. Winning at 157 pounds. Winning at 157 pounds by Saul from Barnesville, Knox Mankin. Winning at 165 pounds by technical fall from multi-level Samuel Salvador. Winner at 65 pounds. Winning by fall.
Shoot, Tristan, shoot!
Thank you.
From Edison, Caden McAllister. The winner at 150 pounds from John Marshall, winning by fall, Brian Morgan.